Good afternoon, students. In our last class, we discussed about the relation between conductivity in terms of an relaxation time. Today, we have to discuss about what is the meaning of that is an register. Then, what are the applications of registers, then color code of registers. Then what is resistance is different, and that is the resistivity is different. Then what is the resistance? It is the amount of opposition offered by the flow of electric charges within a conductor, so that it is nothing but resistance. What is resistivity? It is the amount of opposition offered in flow of electric charges per unit length, per unit area, so that it is nothing but resistivity. Then what is the resistors? It is an material of known resistance. It is the material of that is an known resistance, so that is nothing but it is the resistors. For example, the resistance of resistor is 100 ohm. The resistance of resistor is that is an 100 ohm, means its capacity up to that is an 100 ohm. Then what are the applications of an resistor? So it is used in communication system, then in circuit diagrams, that is in radio, and that is an televisions. Then so the resistor, it is an small, that is an material. We cannot write the values of that is an resistors. For that we have to use that is the color code of that is an resistors. Then to calculate the using color code, there is an one table. We have to remember that one. That is a color. Right? Then black, brown, red, orange, that is an white, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold, silver, and no band. So this one it is in colors. Then first band, if you call this one, it is an A, and this one it is an B, and that is an 10 to the power 6. Then its value is 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, this one it is an 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this one it is an 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 9. Then this one it is an gap 10 to the power minus that is an 5, 10 to the power minus 10, 10 to the power minus that is an 20, and this one it is an 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power that is an minus 2, and there is no band. This one it is an table. black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold, silver, no band. Then plus or minus, that is an. If you write like this, that is an. Plus or minus, that is an 5%, plus or minus it is an 10%, then plus or minus it is an 20%. Right? Then using this one, then how to remember this one? Black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, violet, gray, white, gold, silver, and necklace. So this one, it is an arrangement, because if you it is an 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one it is an plus or minus 5%, plus or minus 10%, plus or minus 20%. If order is changed, then it is problem for solving, that is the values. For that, we have to remember this table. After black, it is an brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold, silver, that is an no band. If yellow, it is an 4, like this. Then how to remember this one? So there is an one clue. We have to write, that is an first capital letters. That is an B, R, O, Y, G, B, V, G, W, G, S, N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have to remember this one. Then again it is an difficult. Then one more, it is an hint. B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife wearing gold, silver, and necklace. So if you use this hint, then you have to remember, right, like this. B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife wearing gold, silver, and that is an necklace. B means black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold, silver, and that is the no band. Then if you consider, that is an registers, it is like this. Then there is an color codes. Then on this one, it is an color codes. Like this, first band, second band, and third band. Means this one we have called, this one it is an A, and this one it is an B, and this one it is an 10 to the power 6. Like this. So this one it is the registers of a known resistance. We cannot write the values, for that they have to use, that is the colors. Then to calculate the color, the formula is R equal to AB into 10 to the power C plus or minus, that is an D%. D means, so this one it is an D. 10 for C means it is nothing but it is an D. Right? Then to calculate, that is an 10 to the power C. Then we have to write, that is an here 10 to the power, that is an C, 10 to the power C means 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1 same, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 7, 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power 9. Then you have to shift here, 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 2, like this. Clear? Then D%, if you write D% here, so this one it is an plus or minus it is an 5%, plus or minus it is an 10%, plus or minus it is an 20%. If you calculate the value of an R, then, so what is the example? Example, find the value of register having color code red, brown, and that is an red, brown, and that is brown. Again it is an brown. Red, brown, brown. Right? Then find the value of the registers having the color code red, brown, and red. We have to calculate the value of the registers. The formula is, that is an R equal to AB into 10 to the power C plus or minus, that is an D%. Then our age, that is this one they have to give on red, brown, and that is an brown, like this. That is red, brown, then brown, then plus or minus, that is an D%. Then red is red, A, it is an 2, right here 2, clear, right? Clear? Then next one, that is an brown, B, brown, we have to write, that is an 1. Again third band, C, 10 for C, it is an brown, means it is an 10 to the power, that is an 1, plus or minus, there is no band, means no band, it is an 20%. Then 21 into 2, 21 into 10, it is an 210, plus or minus, it is an 20%, that is an ohm. Then what is the 20%? It is nothing but it is an tolerance, D. Tolerance means we have to extend up to, that is an 20%. Means of 100, 20% is 10, 20. For 200 it is an 40. For 10 it is an 1. Means up to 240, 220 we have to extend that resistance. The value of the color code is red, brown, and that is the brown. Then another example, that is an example 2. Example 2. Find the value of registers having colors black, brown, and blue. You have to calculate, find the value of the registers having the color code black, brown, that is an blue. Then right here, R equal to AB into 10 to the power C plus or minus, that is an D%. A, it is an black, brown, that is an blue, into 10 to the power plus or minus, it is an D%. Then black, A, black, it is an 0, into B, brown, it is an 1, blue, it is an 10 to the power into 10 to the power 6 plus or minus, that is an 20%, no band. Means 1.1, that is an 1 into 10 to the power 6, means that is an 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is an 6, that is an plus or minus, that is an 20%, that is an ohm. Then if they have to given the values, then how to calculate, that is the colors. Example number 3, the registers having 120 ohm. Find the color code. find the color code. In a first example, they have to given the colors, then you have to find the values. So in this example, they have to given the values, then you have to find the colors. So what is the given? Given is 120 ohm. That is an R equal to 120 ohm. So R equal to, so 120, it can be written in the form of an R equal to AB into 10 power 6. Then how to write this one? 1, 2 into 10 to the power 1 means 10 into 12. It is nothing but 120. I think it is in the form of AB into 10 power 6. Right? Then A, 1, it is nothing but it is an brown. In second band B, 2, it is nothing but it is an red. 10 to the power 1, it is nothing but it is the brown. Then the resistor's value is 120 ohm, means its color is brown, red, and that is an brown. So in this case, they have to ask in CET exams also, they have to given the values, then you have to find the color, then they have to given the colors, then you have to find that is the values. In CET also, in theory class also, the resistors having 120 ohm, find the color code of the resistors. For the board exam, they have to ask for the 2 marks. Then up to this, we have to study about what is resistors, then what are the applications of an resistor, then that is the color code of the resistors. Thank you.